Thank you, Skazin. Thank you for having me over here, for inviting me to help to kick off 2020's Kids for Kids run by Skazin. I think it's a brilliant idea from Skazin to both have very nice products that are also helping future generations, but also actually take up the role as a socially responsible company and in organizing this run. So I'm very proud that we as the Netherlands Embassy can take part in this. Wish you all the best with the virtual run this year. And I do hope that we'll be able to participate next year also, but then with a bigger group. So please share this and also please run for children that need it. Thank you.
In sem vesel, da sem lahko skupaj z Derganom danes tukaj tekel. Vseeno imamo letos virtualni tek Otrok otroku in je malo drugače kot prej. Da kljub temu, da je malo čudno, kako hoče steči potem vsak posebej, ampak mislim, da smo se tudi online dobro povezali, in v današnji čas, kar se tega tiče, je najboljša rešitev, ki smo se lahko izumili, in sem ponosen na vsak tekmovalec, pa majhne tekmovalce, da prispevajo na naš v bistvu socialni projekt, ki imamo vsako leto in podpiramo otroke iz ranljive družine oziroma tisti, ki res to potrebujejo. Hvala vam.